Anyone who's been in the rental market before knows that looking for a new property can be a seriously stressful time, and finding somewhere affordable in a big city, well, that can be like gold dust, and that is where LIV by Mirvac steps in. The trusted property development business has developed a series of high-quality, amenity-rich, pet-friendly build-to-rent apartments across Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane CBDs. I'm going to sit down with Mirvac's Alison Fleming to find out more. Alison, thank you so much for joining me. For anyone who's new to LIV Mirvac, what is it?
So LIV is Mirvac's build-to-rent brand. So this is a community that we have that is just for renters. It's really special, so you get the benefit of Mirvac's over 50 years in designing beautiful and quality homes, and you get the opportunity to rent in that. So you get the quality, the exceptional design, the great sustainability elements, and you get the security of knowing that that's your home for as long as you would like it.
I know firsthand that renting in a big city can be really stressful. How does LIV make that easier?
So it can be stressful, and we do try and make that easier right from how you find us, right through to when you move in and live with us. So we really try and make moving in as easy as possible. There is generally an apartment for everybody, and then we've got an on-site team in all of our properties that can help you 7 days a week and help you settle into your own community.
And can people actually rent long term?
They absolutely can. We have designed it so that people can call us home for the period that they choose. So that can be anything up to 5 years. It could be beyond that, but 5 years at a time. But we've also designed it so that we're a great short-term option if people are just looking for that flexibility as well.
And on that note, you can really personalise your space as well, can you? Which is really unusual for renters.
Yeah, most definitely. I mean, we just do as much as possible to encourage people to make it their own home. So if you want to hang something on the wall, or you've got a favourite colour that you'd like a wall, yeah, that's very much all up to you.
And I believe your newest venture is LIV Albert in Brunswick. So what can residents expect there?
So Brunswick is a beautiful community with a very, very strong sense of identity, and LIV Albert really complements the way people in Brunswick like to live. So we've got nearly 500 apartments, there is amazing co-working facilities, there is a gym area, there's a great rooftop barbecue area that has fantastic views back over the city. It's nested in between some amazing parklands. From a retail perspective, we've got an IGA that is right on the residents' front door. So yeah, Albert is pretty special. But our residents really join us for many different reasons. We've got families that really just love the security proposition, and they want to raise their children in a place where they feel safe and secure. We've got a lot of single people who are using it as a way to, you know, sort of, they live on their own, but they really want to be connected with other people. Downsizers have actually, you know, made it a great way that they can move to a new location and really connect with other people. A lot of people who are new to a city have opted for our accommodation as a way that they know that they're going to have a great opportunity to connect with like-minded people.
Okay, so Alison, I think the burning question has to be, if anyone wants to find out more about a LIV location, how can they do so?
We would love people to come and see us, but the first point might be to find us on our website, which is livmirvac.com. And from there, it is really easy to book a tour and make some time to come in and meet the team and have a look around what could be your new home.